Hello there, this is Joshua Brown from howtobecome.com, the career and recruitment specialists trusted by millions of candidates worldwide. If you have a Kenexa assessment coming up and you're feeling even slightly nervous about it, this video will really help you. In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through Kenexa-style assessment questions and answers, including numerical reasoning, verbal reasoning, and inductive reasoning questions. By the end, you will know exactly how to approach each question type with confidence and avoid using the common mistakes that so many people fail on. I will show you the techniques that the top candidates use to work quickly and accurately. Then you will get the chance to try timed practice questions in real test conditions in this video tutorial. And if you want full in-depth practice with hundreds of Kenexa-style questions, complete mock tests and fully worked solutions, I've put a link in the description below. That resource will give you everything you need to maximize your score in the shortest possible time. Make sure you watch this video from start to finish, because I will break down each question type step by step and then give you extra practice questions so you can test your understanding. I'll also share a powerful timing strategy towards the end of the video that will help you finish your Kenexa test within the time limit. Let's get started. So to begin with, we'll warm up with a numerical reasoning question, because numerical questions are some of the most common and high scoring parts of Kenexa assessments. On screen, you will see a table showing sales data, followed by a question. Your task is to quickly analyze the information and select the correct answer option. So here is that question that's associated to this table of data. Which region experienced the highest percentage increase in units sold from Q1 to Q4? Is it A, North, B, South, C, East, or D, West? I'm going to give you 10 seconds to answer this question. If you need more time, simply pause the video. Focus on getting the question correct first, then work on your speed as we go along. Your 10 seconds starts now. Okay, how did you get on? Well, let's break down exactly how to answer this type of numerical reasoning question in a simple, repeatable way that you can use in your actual Kenexa test. Oh, and once we've cracked this first example, we will steadily increase the difficulty and then move on to some trickier Kenexa-style maths questions, so you're fully prepared for the real assessment. Here is the breakdown. So what we need to do is understand the percentage increase formula. The percentage increase formula in this case is Q4 minus Q1, and then we divide that figure by Q1 times by 100. The reason why we do that is this. We take the Q4 figure and minus the Q1 sales figure to get the actual increase in sales. And then we divide the Q1 sales from that to compare the increase to the original size. And then finally, we multiply by 100 to give us our answer as a percentage. So let's take North, for example. To get the number for North, we do 555 because that is the Q4 data number, and we minus 420. That gives us 135. 135 divided by 420 multiplied by 100 gives us 32.14%. If we take a look at South and do that same formula, that gives us a total of 30%. So we start off by taking 495, we minus 380, and then we divide by that 380 and multiply that number by 100 to give us 30.26%. If we do the same for East, we get 40%, and for West, we get 41.82%. Therefore, if we look at all of these numbers together, 32.14, 30.26, 40% and 41.82%, we can see that West has the highest. So the correct answer was answer option number D. So make sure you don't just look at the numbers. Always calculate the rate of increase. Percentage change is how Kenexa assesses your data interpretation accuracy. That is really tricky. If you need to rewatch that section, please do so, but let's practice some more. Now it is your turn. Here is the question. Between April and June, Which product generated the lowest total sales? Is it A, Alpha, B, Bravo, or C, Charlie? This time, I want you to let me know what answer you got in the comment section below the video, and I'll mark it for you. Remember, always add up the totals when the question covers a time range. You have 10 seconds on the timer starting now. How did you get on? Please pause the video and carry on and get your answer, and let me know in the comments below if you need more time. Let's move on to question number 3, slightly trickier this time because you're dealing with percentage changes, not just simple differences. So the question is this: between year 1 and year 2, which department's revenue increased by more than 15% but less than 25%? So you're going to need to employ the same strategy and formula calculations that we looked at in question 1 here. So is the answer option A, Department A, B, Department B, Department C, or Department D? Remember, this question's asking you to work out the percentage increase for each department and then choose which one is more than 15% but less than 25%. This time you have 20 seconds on the timer. If you need longer, pause the video and then press play when you're ready. It's much better to practice and get the questions 100% right, and then you can always increase your speed later by practicing more questions like these. Accuracy is better than speed and making mistakes. Your 20 seconds starts now. How did you get on? Don't forget to put your answer in the comment section below. Next, we'll look at a Kenexa-style verbal reasoning question. In these questions, you must answer and base your answer only on the information provided in the passage, not on assumptions or outside knowledge. You will typically choose whether a statement is true, false, or cannot say based on the text. So let's try one. So here is the passage. Effective project management requires clear communication, strong leadership, and accurate planning. While technology can assist by providing useful tools for tracking deadlines and resources, it cannot replace human decision-making. Projects that regularly review progress are more likely to stay within budget than those that do not. So here is the statement. Technology alone is sufficient to ensure a project stays within budget. Is that A, true, B, false, or C, cannot say? You have 10 seconds again to answer this before we break down the answer together. If you need more time, simply pause the video. Your 10 seconds starts now. Okay, how did you get on? Let's break down the answer together. So the passage says that technology cannot replace human decision-making, and that regular progress reviews help keep projects within budget. Therefore, the statement that technology alone is sufficient directly contradicts the passage, making the correct answer B, false. If you answered false, great job. Always look for wording like alone or always, because they are often used to test whether you are paying attention to what is actually stated. Now don't go anywhere, as we are about to continue with the tough verbal reasoning style questions, which many people have said they struggle with during the Kenexa assessment. But I want to let you know that whenever you want during this training, you can click that button in the top right hand corner or in the pinned comment below this video and access my full 450 Kenexa-style aptitude test questions online resource from howtobecome.com. It includes the fully worked answers to all questions such as numerical reasoning, verbal reasoning, logical and inductive reasoning, the typing test, personality test, and the Kenexa-style situational judgement test questions. Okay, let's go back to those verbal reasoning questions. Here is the next passage. Remember, base your answer only on what you read. Employee satisfaction surveys are conducted twice per year to measure workplace morale and gather feedback. Managers are encouraged to discuss survey results with their teams and take action where improvement is needed. Employees are not required to participate in the survey, but response rates are consistently above 90%. Here is the statement. All employees must complete the satisfaction survey. Is that true, false, or cannot say? Make sure you put your answer in the comment section below. Don't forget to let me know which question number. You have 10 seconds on the timer starting now. Okay, let's try another one. Here's the passage. The company introduced a remote working policy in 2023 to improve flexibility and reduce office costs. Some employees now work entirely from home, while others split their time between home and the office. The policy has helped the company attract specialists from different regions. Here's the statement. No employees work in the office anymore. Is that true, false, or cannot say? You have 10 seconds to put your answer in the comment section below, starting now. You're doing really well. I now want to dedicate some significant time to the Kenexa-style inductive or logical reasoning questions. These are very, very tricky for most people. In this part of the test, you will usually see shapes, patterns, or sequences, and your task is to work out the rule that links them together. The key is to look for simple changes first, such as the number of shapes, edges, their position, shading, or the direction that they are moving in. Let's warm up by taking a look at a question together, and then I'll give you plenty to try for yourself. So in this question, you will need to decide which of the following images is the odd one out from these 8 options. I'll give you 10 seconds to try it for yourself, and then we'll break down the answer together. Your 10 seconds starts now. Did you get it? Or do not worry if you didn't. Many people struggle with these questions. The answer is actually B. Option B is the odd one out. The reason why is because all of these other boxes, the shapes add up to a total of 16 edges. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 edges, as you can see there in answer option C, for example. And that applies to all the other options apart from option B, where it only equals 15 edges. Really tricky stuff. So let's try some more for yourself. Again, which one is the odd one out from the following options? Please put the question number and your answer in the comments below for marking. I reply to all comments, so let me know there. You have 10 seconds starting now. You're doing really well. Let's move on to another one of these tricky question types. So, which one of these is the odd one out? Let me know in the comment section below. You have 10 seconds starting now. And because these are extra tough, let's try one more. Which of the following images is the odd one out? Is it A, B, C, or D? Your 10 seconds starts now. You've done really, really well. Do not forget to let me know which answers you've got in the comment section below while I'll mark them for you. If you have any questions, let me know there as well. So the next thing to do is please make sure you click the link in the top right hand corner of this video right now. Head through to my website, howtobecome.com, where you can get instant access to over 450 Kenexa-style assessment test questions and the fully worked answers. It covers preparation for every section of the Kenexa Assessment Test, including numerical reasoning, verbal reasoning, logical and inductive reasoning, the typing test, the personality test, and the situational judgement test questions. You'll get interactive practice tests and the full solutions to ensure that you are fully prepared quickly. You can literally have online access to this fantastic resource within 2 minutes from now. It's guaranteed to help you prepare effectively for your Kenexa assessment and, more importantly, put you ahead of the competition. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe, as I'm on a mission to help as many people as possible pass the aptitude tests and job interviews, and I can only do that if you are subscribed. Please also hit that like button, as that encourages me to make more videos like these. If you have any questions regarding aptitude tests, please feel free to put these in the comment section below, where I'll get back to you. And finally, don't forget to connect with me on LinkedIn. I've put my LinkedIn link in the description below. It's always great to connect with like-minded professionals such as yourself. Thank you so much for watching. I wish you all the very best with your Kenexa assessment. Have a great day. You've got this.